Guardian. A person who protects someone.
She is his legal guardian. Legal guardian. Parental guardian. Guardian responsibility.
Proofreading. Checking writing for mistakes.
He is doing proofreading work. Proofreading errors. Do proofreading. Proofreading process.
Abundant. More than enough. Plentiful.
The region has abundant resources. Abundant resources. Abundant supply. Abundant opportunities.
Static. Not moving or changing. Noise or interference.
The image remained static. Static image. Static noise. Static electricity.
Database. A system for storing data.
The database stores information. Build a database. Database system. Access a database.
Stimulate. To encourage or increase activity.
Exercise stimulates the body. Stimulate growth. Stimulate interest. Stimulate the economy.
Deficiency. A lack of something.
There is a vitamin deficiency. Vitamin deficiency. Nutritional deficiency. Deficiency problem.
Odor. A smell.
There is a strange odor. Strong odor. Bad odor. Body odor.
Venture. A risky business or activity. To take a risk.
They started a new venture. Business venture. New venture. Venture capital.
Amid. In the middle of something.
She stood amid the crowd. Amid chaos. Amid pressure. Amid the crowd.
Ceremony. A formal event.
The wedding ceremony was beautiful. Opening ceremony. Wedding ceremony. Award ceremony.
Erupt. To explode or suddenly start.
The volcano erupted suddenly. Erupt suddenly. Erupt into anger. Volcano erupt.
Nutrient. A substance that helps living things grow.
Plants need nutrients. Essential nutrients. Nutrient intake. Nutrient deficiency.
Geographical. Related to the earth or places.
This is a geographical map. Geographical location. Geographical features. Geographical distribution.
Conventional. Following usual methods.
They used conventional methods. Conventional method. Conventional wisdom. Conventional approach.
Equity. Fairness, value, or ownership.
We believe in equity. Social equity. Equity market. Equity value.
Embezzlement. Stealing money secretly.
He was charged with embezzlement. Embezzlement case. Financial embezzlement. Embezzlement charges.
Indulge. To allow oneself to enjoy something.
She indulged in chocolate. Indulge in luxury. Indulge yourself. Indulge in food.
Reinforcement. Strengthening or support.
The team received reinforcement. Military reinforcement. Positive reinforcement. Reinforcement learning.
Synthetic. Made by humans, not natural.
This is a synthetic material. Synthetic material. Synthetic fiber. Synthetic product.
Resent. To feel anger about something.
He resented the unfair treatment. Resent someone. Resent treatment. Deeply resent.
Determinant. A factor that decides something.
Money is a key determinant. Key determinant. Main determinant. Determinant factor.
Complexity. The state of being complicated.
The problem has great complexity. High complexity. Reduce complexity. System complexity.
Enduring. Lasting for a long time.
Their friendship is enduring. Enduring love. Enduring impact. Enduring value.
Materialistic. Caring too much about money or things.
He has a materialistic mindset. Materialistic society. Materialistic values. Materialistic lifestyle.
Variable. Changeable. Something that can change.
The weather is variable. Variable factor. Variable conditions. Control variables.
Empirical. Based on observation or experience.
The study is empirical. Empirical evidence. Empirical research. Empirical data.
Collateral. Property used as security. Related but indirect.
The bank asked for collateral. Provide collateral. Collateral damage. Collateral security.
Postmortem. After death or after an event.
They conducted a post-mortem analysis. Post-mortem report. Post-mortem analysis. Post-mortem exam.
Slothful. Lazy.
He became slothful. Slothful behavior. Slothful attitude. Become slothful.